I am a small business owner, hopefully big business soon.
I started this journey to create more than just a fashion brand.
I'm just kind of shooting my shot in the dark, and maybe that doesn't work all the time.
Verizon Digital Ready offers convenient, concise learning modules that are content-packed.
The one that I found the most interesting was this one and this one.
They went over the importance of understanding your costs, which was pretty critical for me.
I've learned to network, grow my business, how to gain revenue with my business.
I really appreciate that y'all are always checking in. Like, was this course just right? Was it too hard? Was it too basic? It just really shows that you are trying to meet businesses at all levels. Let me tell you, finding the right resources has been everything.